Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to pre-9 class for lecture number 8 of general mathematics chapter number 1, which is about percentage, ratio and proportion. In this video we are going to cover question number 1 and 2 of review exercise, which are at page number 27 and 28 of your textbook. So first of all we are going to solve MCQs. You have to encircle the correct answer. So first MCQs is 20% of 600. What's the meaning of 20%? 20 out of 100 multiply 600. So do the calculation in your rough work and calculate the answer and choose which option is correct. So let's see. This is the rough work actually. 20% means 20 out of 100 multiply 600. 10 2s are 20, 10 10s are 100. Multiply 600. Again cutting is possible. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Multiply 600. 5 again cutting is possible at a table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. It's mean 120 is the answer. Is there any option which carries 120? B option. So B option is correct. Next MCQs, fraction of 70% is, what's the meaning of 70%? 70% means 70 out of 100. 10 7s are 70, 10 10s are 100. It's mean 7 over 10 is the answer. So B option is correct. Third part, 7 over 20 in terms of percentage. अब आपने 7 over 20 को percentage की term में लिखना है. Now it's mean we have to convert this fraction into percentage, means we have to multiply 7 over 20 with 100%. तो हम 7 over 20 को 100% से multiply करते हैं. 21 से 20, 25 से 100. So we have 7 multiply 5%. It's mean 7 5 is 35 and 35% is the correct answer. So encircle the correct option. 35% is the correct one. पार्ट नंबर 4, 1/3 इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज इज. 1/3 को परसेंटेज की टर्म्स में लिखना है. जैसे बिल्कुल पिछला क्वेश्चन किया हम लोगों ने, सिमिलरली इसी तरीके से ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी करना है. अपनी फ्रैक्शन को हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है किससे? 100% से. सो नाउ फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 100% से. 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई 100%. 1 इंटू 100% डिवाइडेड बाई 3. तो 100% को डिवाइड करना है 3 से, तो 100 को हम 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 100 विल बिकम विद इन द डिवीजन बॉक्स एंड 3 comes outside the division box. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. This 0 walks toward the next situation. It will become 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So now 1 is your remainder. By following the QRD pattern, 33 is a whole number. 1/3% is the correct option. So D option is correct. Like that. Question number 5. 0.13 as a percentage means now we have to convert 0.13 into percentage. 0.13 को percentage में convert करना है. You can simply multiply 0.13 into 100%. 0.13 को 100% से multiply करेंगे and you should do this calculation by yourself and calculate the answer. Okay. Okay. Part number 6, in ratio A ratio B. आपके पास ratio है A ratio B. So what is A? इसमें ए को क्या कहेंगे? ए इज़ कॉन्सिक्वेंट और एंटीसीडेंट. ए एंटीसीडेंट है या कॉन्सिक्वेंट है? यू नो वेरी वेल. जो आपका ऑप्शन करेक्ट लगता है यू हैव टू एनसर्कल दिस ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इन अ रेशियो ए रेशियो बी, व्हाट इज़ बी? बी इज़ एंटीसीडेंट और कॉन्सिक्वेंट. बी एंटीसीडेंट है या कॉन्सिक्वेंट है? यू शुड चूज द करेक्ट वन एंड डू इट दिस बाय योर सेल्फ. इन द प्रपोर्शन ए रेशियो बी प्रपोर्शन सी रेशियो डी. A ratio B proportion C ratio D में you know A and D are बाहर वाले फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ टर्म आर कॉल्ड मीन्स और एक्सट्रीम्स. यू नो वेरी वेल कि बाहर वाले दोनों क्या होते हैं? मीन्स होते हैं या एक्सट्रीम्स होते हैं. सो यू शुड डू दिस MCQs by yourself. Come toward the next one. In proportion A ratio B proportion C ratio D. So B and C are called. B और C क्या होंगे? मीन्स हैं या फिर ये एक्सट्रीम्स हैं? यू नो वेरी वेल. सो सॉल्व इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, लोएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ 75 रेशियो 95. 75 रेशियो 95 की लोएस्ट फॉर्म करनी है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, 15 रेशियो 19. सो हाउ कैन वी कंक्लूड दिस आंसर? लेट्स सी इन योर ऑफ वर्क. 75 ratio 95. 5 ones are 5, 2 carry, 5 fives are 25. Ratio sign as it is. 5 ones are 5, 4 carry, 5 nines are 45. It's mean correct one is 15 ratio 19. So MCQs finish हो चुके हैं. Now we are at fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is 30% of 1500. Similarly इस तरह का भी हम एक क्वेश्चन MCQs में करके आए हैं. 30% means 30 out of 100 multiply 1500. So do this calculation in rough work. 30 out of 100 multiply 1500. So these two zeros cancel with these two zeros. So now we have 30 divided by 1 multiply 15. So when further cutting is not possible, it means you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominators with denominators. So 1 ones are 1, denominator में 1 आएगा. There is no need to write 1 in denominator in your answer. So multiply 30 with 15, we obtain 450. So write here 450 by yourself. Next, fraction form of 15% is 15% की fraction form लिखनी है. Fraction form 15% mean 15 out of 100. 15 out of 100, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 0s are 0. So fraction form of 15% is 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 is your answer. You have to write it 3 by 20 here. Question number 3. Part number 3 and part number 4 are quite similar. I am going to solve part number 3, so you should solve part number 4 by yourself. So part number 3, 7 by 25 in terms of percentage means 7 by 25 multiplied by 100%. Do this calculation. In rough work, 7 by 25 multiply 100%. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, 5 2s 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. It means we have 7 over 5 multiplied 20%. Again cutting is possible. 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 7 multiply 4%. 7 4s are 28%. So you should write this answer here and do this part by yourself. Part number 5, 0.29 as a percentage. It means you have to multiply this decimal with 100%. 0.29 multiply by 100% and calculate the answer. Part number 6. These 4 fill in the blanks are quite related to your MCQs. In ratio A, ratio B, A is called. A is called, you know very well. In A ratio B, B is called dash, you know very well. In proportion A ratio B, proportion C ratio D, A and D are extremes. In proportion A ratio B, C, in proportion C ratio D, the product of extremes is equals to product of extremes is equals to product of means. The simplest form of 2 by 3 रेशियो 3 by 5. तो 2 by 3 रेशियो 3 by 5 को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म करने के लिए सिंपल नंबर तो आप इजीली इनको किसी टेबल पे कटिंग वगैरह करके आप इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेते. बट नाउ यू हैव फ्रैक्शन इन एंटीसीडेंट एंड फ्रैक्शन इन कॉन्सिक्वेंट एज वेल. So do this calculation by following these steps. First of all, you have to write your question as it is, and next step you have to calculate the LCM of denominators. 3 and 5 का LCM कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5. It means your LCM is 15. 3 5s are 15. So LCM is 15. Multiply both antecedent and consequent by 15. Antecedent और consequent दोनों को हमने 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. It's mean we have 5 multiply 2 and 3 multiply 3. So we obtain 10 ratio 9. So write your answer 10 ratio 9 here. So the answer is the simplest form of 2 by 3 ratio 3 by 5 is 10 ratio 9. So complete review exercise question number 1 and 2 on your textbook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.